Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming essential ID, Social Security Number or EIN, date of birth, filing status, and current mailing address. Once done, call the IRS automated transcript line and follow prompts to request a tax transcript by mail. Choose the year and type you need. Make sure to speak clearly when confirming your address because the transcript will go to the address on file. If your address changed, update it with Form 8822 before requesting to avoid delays. Once your request is accepted, confirm the exact transcript type, return transcript versus account transcript, and the tax year because the IRS processes each separately. If the phone option isn't available or you hit authentication issues, submit Form 4560 to request transcripts by mail or use the Get Transcript online tool to generate a mailed copy request. Make sure to provide a daytime phone number in case the IRS needs clarification. This prevents when the transcript arrives, open it and verify your name, Social Security Number or EIN, tax year, and reported amounts right away. If the document is missing or incorrect, call the IRS transcript line and reference your request date so they can trace it. Request a reissue if needed. If you haven't received mail within about 15 business days, check that the IRS has your current address and submit Form 8822 to update it. This single step resolves most delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.